Hey guys, my name is Rahul and today we are going to unbox one of the latest device from Realme, the Realme 5. In front of me is the Realme box here. So Realme 5's box here, it has the Realme 5 picture, then there's 5000 mAh battery, quad camera sensor, cameras, etc. specs. Then it is the 4GB 64GB variant and this is the crystal purple color. So let's talk about specs here. It has a 6.5-inch HD plus mini drop display. It has Corning Gorilla 3 plus protection. It has Snapdragon 665 processor, dual SIM, ColorOS 6 on Android 9. Then this quad cameras, the 12 MP camera is f1.8 aperture one. Then there is a 118-degree ultra wide lens, that is 8 MP, and there is 2 MP depth sensor and there is also 2 MP macro sensor. Then there is on the front there it has 13 MP front facing camera with f2.0 aperture. It has 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging. Then it is splash resistant. The Realme comes in crystal blue and crystal purple color. The 3GB 32GB variant, 3G RAM 30GB variant costs 10,000 rupees, 4GB 64GB variant costs 10,000, sorry, the 11,000 rupees, and the 4GB 120GB variant costs 12,000. I bought it from the first sale on August 27th. It is available via Flipkart and Realme. So for specs, it sounds really great for a 10,000 rupees phone. I have the 11,000 rupee version, of course, but for that price it sounds really great. Let's see what it has inside the box. The first you can see the paper pouch as usual, the paper box. Let's remove this and see. Welcome to the Realme family. Inside that paper pouch you can see the TPU case, the instruction manual and everything. So but that we don't read these things. Let's put it aside and see the cover. It's the usual TP case from Realme. I have doubt it's not the same one came with Realme X or something like that. I'm not sure. Let's see. So there is a device itself. Let me power it on. So we can see on there is the big charger, but unfortunately this does not have the VOOC charging support. It's a usual 10-watt charger, the 5 watt 2 amp charger. There's nothing fast about this. Then there is a micro USB cable. Unfortunate it is, their Realme X and the latest Realme 5 Pro also has the USB Type-C cable, so it was better if they chose to go the USB Type-C route here also. Unfortunate, but that's the case here. Sorry, I switched into ultra wide camera, sorry. So okay, there is a SIM ejector tool. I was thinking where was SIM ejector tool, it was not inside the pouch, so here it is, the SIM ejector tool. So that's that. So that was all that inside the box. So let's go into device here. So remove the plastics first, right? So plastics has been removed. So okay, there is another sticker also. So this is the crystal purple color and I quite like it. It's a dark color, not as glossy or shiny as the other colors by Realme. This is a plastic phone, looks like glass. It's an evolution of Realme's diamond cut design. So that's that. On the back here, as I mentioned as the specs before, there is the quad camera setup here. There is a flash. Then there is the fingerprint sensor and also there is the Realme logo. Then on the top there is nothing here, clean. Then there is on this side you can see the volume rocker keys and the SIM slots. Sorry, SIM okay, SIM tray actually. Sorry. So on the bottom you can see that there is speaker grill, microphone, the micro USB Type C port, and the headphone jack. And on this side there is a power button. So that's let's turn the device on. I mean it was already turned on, I guess. Okay, it's turned on. Let's go into the device and see what's the device currently runs on. It's a HD plus display. It looks good. Little bit cold, I guess, but it looks good. Nothing bad here. So it has ColorOS 6.1 Android 9, processor is Snapdragon 665, octa-core processor, RAM is 4 GB, 51.3 GB is available out of 64 GB out of the box, and the security patch is July. So that's that. Let's go into the camera here. Maybe it's a usual. There is a so there's a camera. So it's a usual ColorOS camera. So nothing special here. It's the usual thing. Let's go if there is any there's video, photo and portrait, and let's see what is there anything else. Then on the special setting, nightscape, pano, expert, timeless, no. There is also an ultra macro mode. Sorry, I didn't show this in this video. Then there's photo ratio. I think they should give us 5 MB, 8 MB options like that. Then the use of flip selfie, ASE and recognition, watermarking and everything. There's a grid, shutter sound, fingerprint shooting. There's a lot of things. This is a usual ColorOS. I have nothing special to talk about here. So let's take a picture here. It was pretty fast. I think there is no shutter lag. I don't see there is any shutter lag here. So let's go into the video here. Let's see what it offers. Thankfully, because the processor is 665, it is providing 4K recording. The 4K does not have any EAS. If you want the EAS, you should shoot at 1080p. And photo, then we can go into the front camera and see what is there to as an option. So there is the front camera. That's me. Hi. So that's it. Then there is in settings, similar settings. There's nothing special here. It's the photo ratio and everything, so it's pretty same. Okay. Shutter speed was pretty fast. Then there's the usual option. Let's go into the video. Let's see what's okay. It can record up to 1080p, and surprisingly, Realme has given us a 1080p EAS on 1080p recording for front camera. That's nice. So that is the photos I clicked right now. It was beautified on, so it's nice. So okay, I didn't check the cover, back cover here, so let's check it out also. Okay, so it's the usual Realme cover. It fits really. It's a snug fit. Should be snug fit. It's tough to get it inside, so once it is inside, it's better you don't take it out. I mean, it's nice that Realme offers this kind of cover which has little bit of hardness, even though it is a TPU case, unlike Realme's flimsy covers which can jump the phone out of the cover. So this is nice. So cool. So that's it for the unboxing. I will be providing you with samples, camera samples and video samples. Thank you for watching this video, and I will be seeing you on the next video. Bye bye. This is the rear camera sample of Realme 5 at 4K. This is the 1080p rear camera sample of Realme 5. This is the 1080p front facing camera sample of Realme 5.